So what you can also directly do inside of CapCut desktop editor is record out voiceovers. So to do that, over here you can see that there is this microphone icon right here where it says record. So you need to go around and click on this, and once you do that, what happens is that you got the recorder opened up right here. You can go around and select out your input device right here and select out the volume level for that particular input device as well. You can also go around and turn on the echo reduction or mute out the project during the time of recording so that it does not disturb you. Once you're ready, you can go around and hit the record button right here. So there's this countdown right there for the recording, and now everything is starting to be recorded, as you can see right here. And you can see the audio wave of the recording over here. So once you're happy with the recording and you want to stop it, simply go around and click on the stop button right here, which says click to end recording. Once you do that, the recorded clip right here, the audio is here. You can work around with its volume right here and press the play button to preview it out on how it actually hits out. So what I'm going to do is hit the play button, as you can see right here, and you can see the audio wave of the recording over here. And you can hear out the audio that was recorded. So that is how you can go around and then record out audio inside of CapCut desktop editor directly by using your input source for audio in your computer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.